Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to unbox this Tassimo Bosch coffee machine. We bought this for sale price today in Dunn store because it's Black Friday. So if you are a coffee lover and you'd love to have like a simple coffee machine, you can try this and run to the nearest Dunn store now. It's 50% off and we got this for 39.90 something euro. So let's unbox this. Alright, so inside this box you will find of course the packaging. Alright, so packaging wise it's good because it's not just an ordinary styrofoam, right? So you can see that's well protected, and this is the socket of course for the plug. So it's your standard plug, and packaging it still has a plastic in it. Alright. So again, for coffee lovers out there, you might want to check this out in Dunn store near your area, because I think the normal price of this is like 90 euro in some of the stores, but now you can get this for 39 euros. All right. So this is the Tassimo coffee machine, and of course this is how it actually looks. This comes with 0.7 liter tank in it on its side, and inside the tank there's the instruction for how to register to get more discounts for coffee pods, and also the instruction on how to clean it or service. All right, so again, it's a 0.7 liter tank, and this one is actually where you're gonna put your pods. All right, so this is compatible with certain pods made by certain brands. It's actually shown on its box, right? And this is the stand, adjustable stand, mag stand, and on its bottom you will see this orange pod here, which is actually needed for cleaning or service of this coffee machine. So this is actually how you will use it. So first time, if you're gonna use this for the first time, you have to, before using it, you have to fill the water, or fill the tank with the water, and then put this pod in here, service pod, and press this button to start the cleaning process. Repeat it for 3 times according to the manual. So again, it's easy to use, guys, and again, you can buy compatible pads in Dunn store as well, or any store that has those brands which are shown in their box. All right, so these are yeah, you will find there. So those are, where are those boxes? Yeah, on top of the box, those are the brands of the pods, or those brands have compatible pads for Tassimo this coffee machine. All right, so I think this is really nice, guys, especially for coffee lovers out there. You can try this, and again, it's sale right now, 50% off in the nearest Dunn store. Alright, so again, it's Tassimo, made by Bosch coffee machine, we bought from Dunn store. Right, well, thanks for watching, guys, and till our next vlog. Bye bye.